Good morning, everyone. Viewers, I greet everybody this morning. I come to update you guys for this car, this Nissan Z. This Nissan Z, guys. This morning, as you can see, everything is ready now. We are going to start our normal duty as usual. As I promised to be show you guys everything. So as you can see now, this is the top cylinder. The two top cylinder is ready here. We already go to the macrata. Everything has been fixed properly. And this is the uh, this is cam camshaft. As you can see, this is the camshaft. Two camshaft. It's left and right here. And also this is the head gasket. This is the left side. And also other parts are inside. This is a water pump crankcase. Water pump and this is timing crankcase over here. So other parts are inside, as you can see. So as you can see, this is the head also here. This is the engine block. Everything is ready to go. This is this side. So any moment from now, we are going to start our normal duty. So one thing I like to do each time I'm doing something like this, I always feature this car, Infinity and Nissan Z, even Nissan Marona. If you are doing all this car modification, you are doing a major job that requests for you to bring the engine down. Make sure that you do one thing and make sure that every pipe that connecting to water, you have to check all of them properly, because if you didn't do so, uh, you may regret it somehow. For example, I want to show you guys something for here. As you can see here, over here, this is all the pipe that's connected to the water. Look at the inside. The inside is already, all of them is rust because of the bad water. And if you have a car, try to put a coolant. Your radiator is necessary. Ordinary water, what especially this UAE, their water is very strong to the extent their water is like a salt. Just if you put ordinary water in your car in this country, the car will not even last some months. All the pipe will, all of them will damage. So this is what I'm going to show you guys here. All the pipe has rusted. For example, look at this engine block, guys. Because of the bad water, he nearly damaged this block. So that's why I request everybody, if you are driving, try to put coolant in your engine. It's necessary, guys. Thank you for watching and stay tuned when we are going to update you. Step number one, we have fixed one head. Step number two, we have fixed the two head. You guys see, I'll be showing you every single thing we are doing here until we complete our duty. So is now to fix all the bolt. This is starting progress. So, so if you want a tight head, you have to use this number. This is 5.0 for the locking head. So this is the normal one. So we are going to another step. So it's time to fix the all this camshaft. As you can see, left and right. So before you fix the camshaft, make sure you put some oil in order for the camshaft to balance so that it will not damage, because this place is like a aluminium. As you can see, you must put oil so that it will be free. Camshaft will be free. So stay tuned. We are going to install the camshaft right now. So in this case, before you put this shaft, before you put this camshaft, you have to mix a little silicone on this, on top of this place, in order to not have any leakage. Not too much, just little. As you can see, we have stored the two camshafts. Look at two of them. Huh? So the next thing, okay, as you can see, guys, we have stored the top cylinder, the two-star cylinder. The next thing to do now is to fix this water pump crankcase. As you can see, this is the next one here. And before we go ahead and fix it, this is the new water pump. Okay, as you can see, check the pass number over here. So what we are going to do, we are going to put the water pump inside this place. Then we are going to fix it. Stay tuned. So this is the new water pump here, and this is the old water pump. So this is the enough different to tell you guys that the old one has spoiled. So let's put it right. So guys, I could have fixed this water pump directly, or just put small grease. But if I do like that, it may be leak. Based on what I showed you guys before, just look at inside here. You can see it's too much rust. So in order to not open this cap back, you have to, I'm going to put silicone, little silicone here, so that it can hold the water pump in order to not leak. So stay tuned, man. I'll be showing you guys every single thing I did. So as you can see, I have put the silicone, so you meant to fix it here. So guys, it's time to fix the water pump case. As you can see, so everything have its fixed. So now to tight the board. Can see. Okay, guys. Yeah. Now it's time to put the timing. Then, as you can see here, let me just show you one example. You see this point here? You must make it to be in this line. Look at this one in this line, and look at this point here in this line. Look at this point in this line. So before you now and look at the crankshaft, there is point here over here. Make it to line in this point here, and this one here will come in the second uh, teeth. So look at everything I showed you here. Before I will now go ahead and install the first cam shaft timing. I mean the two sprocket that hold the two head. It have its own timing. Two of them have its own timing. So before I'm go ahead to install that one, I'm going to show you. So I have installed the right side. As you can see here, over here, there is two mark. These 2 point was line in these two mark for this chain, and this two mark here must line to this place. Look at inside here. You see one mark there. There's 1 point over there. Also, and come over here. See 1 point here. So come up to this place. So, so this is the driver side. Come. Let me show you the point before I'll fix it. You can see the point here. You must come to this place and see this one here. You can see there's 2 points there. In passenger side, you if you can see, you see the 2 points over here. Let me show you guys. In passenger side, you can see that this point that is in this chain was lying in this mark, particular two mark here. But in driver side, it comes to this side. That is why you cannot change these two sprocket. Cannot take the left side and put for the right side. The car can never start, because you know why he can never start is that this thing you see here is the one that is reading with the camshaft sensor. If this point, if this mark did not line in the camshaft camshaft sensor in a good position, there's no amount of starting you do for this guy, he can start. He can never start. For example, look at this driver side here. You see this two mark. These two mark is line to the camshaft sensor. The position of the camshaft sensor of driver passenger side is like this, whereby the position of driver side I'm going to show you guys. So as I was saying, this is the position. This is the position of the camshaft sensor. Is for the driver side, which left. You can see here where the right L and R. This is to show that you have left and right. And come over here. You see this point here. These 2 points in the driver passenger side, on which this side is the where the timing is. But in the driver side is these 2 points that is there. When you take these two sprocket, put it there, you can fix, but the timing can never be correct. Whereby this particular cam will face upside down. You no go dey reach the sensor in order to start. So if you like what I'm saying here, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all my social media platforms. I will be giving you update, and I am going to also to face the main timing right away. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be back. All right, guys. See, as you can see, look at over here. You see the point? Can you see the point for the main timing? And come over here, up and down here. You can see another point there. And look at this one also. You can see the point. You can see the point over there. So as you can see, and look at downside here. You see the line is straight. So and look at this one, and coming to the crankshaft, you can see this one line from this place. This second line come here and come down side. You can see there. You see there's marking. So this is how to set the timing, as you can see here. So coming to the cam, the driver side cam must slip. This head must slip here, and these two must come up. Coming to the passenger side, as you can see, the exhaust cam also slip, but it's not slip like the other side. And this last one must end downside. So thank you guys for watching the video. Uh, I'm going to also make another video whenever I'm done. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay remain your guy and your people. Thank you. All right, guys. Thank you for following me till now. This time around, let me end the video. I'll be right back.